If you're all alone in the middle of the day with nothing to do, and if someone asks you to come and play, that's a friend. If you'd like to go to visit the zoo, but you can't go alone, if someone says that they'll take you, that's a friend. Your pal up the street is a friend. The gal next door is a friend. Your dad is a friend, and your brother is a friend, and you can bet your mother is a friend. A real good friend. If you need some help with anything at all that's bothering you, he may be short or he may be tall, but you are sure he will hear you call. He'll be there summer, winter, spring, and fall. That's a friend. That's a friend.